Beard butter. Most of you have heard that term, but I do know there are many of you out there, especially if you searched for this video, that don't really know what beard butter is, and maybe you didn't want to ask for whatever reason. So in this video, I'm going to break down all the information that I believe you need to know about beard butter, whether you are brand new to beard care, you've been doing it for a little while, or even if you're an OG veteran of the game. Hopefully there'll be a tidbit of helpful information, new information, or at the very least, some entertaining information. But real quick, a very simple introduction. Hello, my name is Dan, the letter C, bearded. The subtitles like to do like dancing bearded or dancy bearded. It's just Dan, C bearded. My last name is Command. Nice to meet you guys. And if you could, please consider hitting a thumbs up right now. And if you are new to the channel and you like learning about beards, hit that subscribe button. I think there'll be some useful information. If you've already done all those things, shout out to you guys. You're absolutely amazing. And you might like this little bit of blend of beards and positivity. Give it a chance here. Okay, beard butter. It is going to nourish, soften. I hate that word, by the way. Soften. Well, how do you say it? I don't know. I'm going to go soften here. And overall, make your beard more manageable. If you use beard butter, your beard is likely going to be much healthier, with evidence like less shedding, and it just feels better. Beard butters should include a mix of butter ingredients like shea butter and oil ingredients like jojoba oil. Now, there are some beard butters that have a very small amount of wax in there to do things like help with shipping, because butters are notorious for melting and causing some issues once they re-solidify again. But also a little bit of wax can offer a little bit of styling and hold. But at that kind of note, there are some people that adamantly hate having wax in beard butter. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I know you're leaving that comment. Me personally, I don't mind. I like a healthy balance and mix. I have some butters that I love that have a little bit of wax. I have some butters that I love that have no wax. It's just kind of a personal preference thing. Where we really draw the line between a balm and butter is balm is primarily for styling and hold. It's going to have a really strong wax ratio in there. Butter is primarily for nourishment and the health of the beard. And if you get a little bit of styling and hold on some ranges of the butter, it just has to be on a very minimal side. I recommend applying beard butter at night before you go to bed, when your beard really needs that nourishment the most. Just think about it. Whether you're sleeping 5, 6, 7 hours, that amount of time is going without any drinking of water or internal hydration. You need that extra boost from that beard butter to really have the healthiest beard possible, whether you have a short, medium, or long beard. However, you can also do this. You can apply the beard butter in the morning or during the day. If you do want some additional nourishment, maybe you want a little bit of extra scent in there, or you just like the way that your beard feels with beard butter, totally fine and no worries when you're applying it. But I do recommend for everybody considering using this at night before bed. When you are applying beard butter, I recommend applying it to a damp beard and then working it throughout the beard. Now, you do want to try and avoid applying the beard butter to the skin. It's not the end of the world or the biggest deal if some gets there, but you don't want to take a comb and work that butter in the skin. You don't want to really work and massage your fingertips in the skin, because you have a higher chance of clogging your pores on your face. I'm not speaking about your body or anywhere else, but when we're talking about your facial hair, a butter almost always has a higher comedogenic scale rating, which means it's more likely to clog your pores as compared to something like an oil. So don't massage it in, but instead work it throughout the hair, let it coat the hair, let it absorb into the hair, and let it do its job. Now with that, for me, and this is really not even negotiable, the two most important products for your beard are beard oil and beard wash. You need to clean your beard, get all that stuff out of there, and then you need to replenish that natural oil that you're not able to produce enough of. After that, I have a tie between beard butter and in-shower beard conditioner as the next most important products, because they're going to help you detangle. They're going to soften. They're going to allow you to have all the health benefits that you need with not having a really tangly and knotted beard. It really makes a big difference. And if I go a night or a couple of nights without using beard butter, oh my goodness, I really feel it. My beard feels drier. I immediately noticed more shedding in the next morning. It doesn't feel as soft. It's a big difference. I just had a kind of a weekend trip where I didn't bring butter because I wasn't at my house. I wasn't at a hotel. I was at somebody else's house, and I'm like, getting ready in the shower, in the bathroom. I don't want to take too much time, so I didn't bring it, and I kind of regret it because my beard really felt it. Now I'm really increasing my water intake. I'm using some really good quality butters to kind of boost it back again. But this trip away from butter really cemented my thoughts and I need to make a video on this so everybody understands what beard butter does and how you should really use it. One problem we have with beard care products or the beard cosmetic industry is there is no standard when it comes to labeling products. For example, there are products out there that are labeled beard butter, but in my opinion, they are not a beard butter in any way, shape, or form, and it's very simple to tell. If the first ingredient is water, it's not a beard butter, right? If you are going to comment, I'm going to have the conclusion in a minute here about your negative experiences with beard butter, and you're talking about like Everyman Jack or Maestro's or any of those other butters that have water as the first ingredient, I don't think we are talking about the same thing. That more closely resembles a leave-in conditioner as compared to a beard butter. So I did want to go over real quick what is not a beard butter, even though it may say it on the label, even though it may be advertised or described as that. It's not, guys. That is something that I believe, in my opinion, is mislabeled and should have a different category. Let's wrap this up with a conclusion all about beard butter. And this video is not sponsored by Beard Octane. This is not like clever paid product placement or anything like that. As always, they don't know I'm making this video or anything. I just simply had this butter near me. I like to have kind of fidget toys when I'm working and doing stuff, and this was one of them and is one of my favorite butters that's out there. So I just want to make sure I get that before people start, there. Thoughts, questions, comments. Help us out down below by clicking the comment box and typing out some things. And I do have some questions for you. First off, what is your personal experience and thoughts on beard butter? Was it a game changer for you? Could you never go back again? Or maybe were you like, nope, I don't really like beard butter. And again, make sure you're commenting if you've used good quality recommended beard butters, because that's a totally different game if it's something outside of the ones that we really believe are beard butters. Other than that, is there anything I missed? Do you guys have a question or something you're wondering about beard butter? Do you, as an experienced beards care person out there, have something to add on? A new angle, a new suggestion, a new thought? I would love to hear that down below. As always, guys, with the angle of respect, you should be typing this with your smile on your face, hopefully, right? Matching the tone and the mood of the channel. And again, as always, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting this platform, allowing me to use this kind of, avenue to express myself, to get all these crazy thoughts out to you guys. It means the world to me, especially when you comment, especially when you reach out. That support is unrivaled, and I will never, ever take that for granted. So thank you guys one more time. Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded, and stay positive.